In iOS 18, Apple has offered a native way to replace the flashlight and the camera buttons on the lock screen with something more essential to you. For instance, you can choose to get rid of the camera button and add a magnifier icon or the QR code scanner to the lock screen. Courtesy of a massive library of lock screen controls, you have the freedom to choose from a wide range of icons. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to trigger the iPhone lock screen by pressing the power button. And then you have to authenticate using your Face ID or Touch ID. And then you have to long press on the lock screen. And after that, you have to tap on the Customize button. And then you have to select the lock screen option. And now you have to tap on the minus button at the top of the icon you want to get rid of. And then you have to tap on the plus button. And then you have to select the preferred button from the lock screen controls gallery. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific icon you're looking for. And once you have selected the preferred icon, make sure to tap on the done button at the top right corner of the screen and you are good to go. So that's how you can easily replace or remove lock screen, camera and flashlight icons on your iPhone in iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.